So today I thought I'd have a go with texture paste. I purchased some stencils from Junk Journaling for Everybody, and this is one of the stencils that came. I wasn't sure what would be in it, so it was quite nice because this goes quite nicely with my Alice theme journal. Now I'm using what I've got, so this might be a bit of a trial and error. I made this texture paste following someone's tutorial online, which I'll link below. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Not sure if it's too thick or too thin. It does seem a lot like just glue at the moment. Maybe I needed some more of the baby powder mixture. Okay, so I'm going to lift that up and hope for the best. Not too bad. Just get rid of that. So I'll set that to one side to dry. Now whilst up here I've also got this Amazon packaging which I wanted to use. So again I'm going to use some bubble wrap just to put some texture on it. Press down a bit. Okay, so just taking that down a bit because it was a big wheel. Let's get this on. And I could actually just glue this on, but we'll see how it comes out. Yeah, not sure I like that. No, it's fine when there's not too much mixture on it. If there's too much and it's looking a bit wet. Might look a bit better once it's dry, maybe. I'm going to keep on going because at the end of the day this is all packaging that was going to go in the recycling. It might come in handy in one of my bee journals or as background. This certainly isn't a project if you want to stay clean. It's definitely a messy project. I've not done this before, so this is out of the norm for me. So I'm going to leave it there for today. I shall let these pieces dry, and then once they're dry we'll do a bit more with them. Okay.